Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
So I'm supposed to make a video right now. This video is simple. Basically, everybody knows to every side of something there's a good and bad. Good side of the parents, them take care of you, send you to school, show you love and affection, all that good shit. And then you have the bad side, the bullshit, the annoying stuff for them do. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a few annoying stuff, and if me leave out anything, you just comment the rest side at the end of the video. The first annoying thing the parents always do. A parent will have the remote right beside them in the chair, right across them from the table. And you're the outside to fight World War II, you fight crime, you find the cure for diseases, and your parent will call and say, yo, come here. And you run as fast as you can. Almost broke part of your foot. Come in, with a look. Pass the remote, give me. Take up your lazy blood clot. I'm sure not me alone go through that. The next thing my parents will annoy me, everything them compare with freedom time. Me born 1993 and you born way down in the 1500s, and you gonna tell me the difference between now and then. You used to carry water 500 miles away, 20 bucket on your head top, all them something there. Me don't know about that. Me's a 90s kid. Me born in modern times where water come through the pipe, we use it. Too bad for phone time. We don't can manage that. We don't need to know that. The next annoying thing my parent do, slap you and then do this. When you are cry. What you are cry for? You want me to give you something to cry for? Bitch, what you want me to do? Smile? And next thing with annoying, they threats them, especially this one. Hey, I'm gonna bring you up on this world, you know. I'm not afraid to take you back out, you know. Why you just never use a condom, man? We would not have this conversation right now. Next your parents always do, to them music always loud. They feel like say just because you not listen to the music with them want to listen, or you not listen to the music with them and listen. Turn down your music. But daddy, I have my headphone. Me say if you turn down your music. Another annoying thing with parents do, the talking part. Me know me will turn a parent one day, so me wouldn't understand that part when it happened to me. But for now, that annoying as fuck. Them talk, and when the situation solve, them still attack, and when you don't say nothing, them still attack. Then them do that like a style. Answer me when me talk to you, and when you answer them, don't talk when them talking. You see what I say? Another annoying thing with parents do, they make promises and they don't come true. Them promise you computers, phones, iPad, tablet, anything. If you pass the exams then, you pass them, you make another achievement, where they? Some bag of excuses. We don't love that. You ask them 2 weeks before, say, Mommy, me can go to the party there, Daddy, me can go to the stage show there, and them say, yeah man, when that night come, where you go? Stay in the yard. Bitch! Another annoying thing with parents do, we don't love none at all. Parents always in their room, always expect say you do something wrong and always a watch. You feel like you're in some prison or some containment area. But at the end of the day, parents are the best. You don't know. Them help we reach on the earth. We love them, we hate them, can't do without them. If me leave out anything, as I say, just leave a comment. Remember to like the video. It helps me a lot when you like the video. And share the video with somebody. You must have a friend who wants to see this. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel, and check me out every Monday. May I wait for you to subscribe?
Got young niggas that's gonna shoot for me. Bad bitches that buy shoes for me. Versace this, I'm the shit. Got the 6, got your bitch. I ain't cocky, I'm confident. So I don't really need no compliments. $1 million deals, that's common sense. I might let a major label be a part of this.